In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add discount on Xero Invoice. To do that, firstly log in on your Xero account and then click on business, and after that we need to select invoices from here. After that it will show you all of your invoices which you have on your account. So firstly we'll see how to add discount for our new invoice, and then later on we'll see how to add discount for existing invoice. So firstly I need to create a new invoice here. Once you create your invoice, you can add your client details here, and after that I need to select my item. And now to add our discount, we need to go to the discount section and you can enter your discount. If you can't see discount option here, then tap on the columns from here and make sure that your discount is selected, and then we'll be able to add our discount. So let's say I want to add $50 discount. So for that I just need to type 50 here, and then if we enter on our keyboard, the discount will be added on our invoice. In case you want to add discount in percentages, then we just need to add the value in percentages. So let's say I want to add 10% discount, then I need to type 10 and then add a percentage symbol here and then hit enter, and then 10% discount will be added. So this is the process for adding discount for new invoice. Now to add discount for existing invoice, firstly we need to access our invoices. For that, tap on business and then go to invoices. Now select any of your existing invoice. So I want to add discount for this invoice. I need to select it. Now to edit this invoice, we need to tap on the three dots, then click on edit, and here we can add our discount. Remember that you can only edit your existing invoice if the invoice is awaiting payment or it is in draft. If your invoice is not in draft or it is not in awaiting payment, then you won't be able to add the discount. So I can just add my discount here. I want to add 50% discount. So for that I need to add 50 and then percentage symbol, and then that discount will be added. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.